Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 BMW X1 xDrive28i. This one's a Glacier Silver. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 228 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one comes with 18-inch wheels. Convenience package with a panorama sunroof, black interior, ambient lighting, rear USB ports, X1 xDrive28i badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover, power windows, memory seats, power seats, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera sensors, hard keys for the radio, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, sports and eco modes, hard keys for the infotainment center. This X1 has 8,218 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this BMW X1, visit us at feldmanimports.com.